Hi there, this is your favorite nurse practitioner, Pattye Anderson, and I'd like to discuss with you the first FDA-approved drug treatment for obstructive sleep apnea in adults with obesity. But first, don't hesitate to reach out to me for speaking engagements or other health-related concerns. Now let's get started. Did you know the FDA approved tirzepatide for the treatment of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea in adults with obesity? This is the first drug approved to specifically address obstructive sleep apnea, also known as OSA. Intended for use alongside a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity, tirzepatide provides a new therapeutic option for patients with OSA. This is a major step forward for patients with obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder characterized by repetitive episodes of blocked airflow during sleep, resulting in breathing interruptions, which can lead to daytime fatigue, cardiovascular complications, and other health issues. While the condition can affect individuals of any body type, it is most prevalent among people who are overweight or obese. Until now, treatment options primarily included lifestyle changes, weight loss, and mechanical interventions such as positive airway pressure, also known as PAP therapy, which many patients find challenging to use consistently. Tirzepatide is a once-weekly injectable medication that works by activating receptors for glucagon-like peptide 1 and glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide hormones involved in appetite regulation. By reducing appetite and food intake, tirzepatide facilitates weight loss, which is a crucial factor in improving OSA severity. The FDA's approval is based on data from two randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials involving 469 adults without type 2 diabetes. Participants were split into two groups, one receiving standard PAP therapy and another unable or unwilling to use PAP. Each group was further randomized to receive tirzepatide 10 or 15 milligrams or placebo weekly for 52 weeks. The trials evaluated changes in apnea-hypopnea index, also known as AHI, which measures the frequency of breathing interruptions during sleep. Results demonstrated a statistically significant reduction in AHI among tirzepatide recipients compared with placebo. Additionally, a higher proportion of patients treated with tirzepatide achieved remission or mild OSA with symptom resolution. These outcomes were strongly linked to substantial weight loss achieved with the medication. Common reactions for tirzepatide include nausea, diarrhea, constipation, or abdominal discomfort. Rare but serious risks include thyroid tumors in animal studies, pancreatitis, gallbladder issues, and hypoglycemia. Patients with a history of medullary thyroid cancer, multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2, or severe allergic reactions to tirzepatide should avoid tirzepatide. The FDA also advises healthcare providers to monitor for complications such as depression, diabetic retinopathy, and acute kidney injury. So this is fascinating news, and this reference comes from the FDA.gov/news events. Again, this is your favorite nurse practitioner, Pattye Anderson. Don't hesitate to comment, like, forward, share, and reach out to me at nursepatty@gmail.com.